नमस्ते दोस्तों। हमारे फॉर्च्यून वेल्थ के सतीश भाई, जो हमारी करीब 22 साल से भी ज़्यादा एक जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप बनी है, उसके लिए मुझे बहुत गर्व होता है और मैं बधाई देता हूँ सतीश भाई को और उनके सुपुत्र मुंजाल और सागर को कि वो इतना एक बहुत अच्छा बिज़नेस बनाए हैं। और जो मुझे बहुत चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है उनके बारे में कि एक सतीश भाई का पैशन है, उनका एक विलिंगनेस टू लर्न है, क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल शेयर बाज़ार के बारे में समझते नहीं थे। वो डायमंड बाज़ार से आए हुए हैं। उनकी मेहनत है, उनकी क्लाइंट के साथ बहुत डीप रिलेशनशिप है और क्लाइंट्स के लिए एक जो सोच है, क्लाइंट्स के साथ एक लगाव है, ये अपने आप में बहुत मायने रखती है। और उन्होंने जिस हिसाब से बिज़नेस एक अच्छे लेवल पे लेके गए हैं, हमारे टॉप 5 से 7 ऑल इंडिया बिज़नेस पार्टनर्स में सतीश भाई आते हैं। तो मैं उनको बहुत-बहुत बधाई देता हूँ और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि सतीश भाई अ अ, आपका स्वास्थ्य बहुत अच्छा रहे और आप मुंजाल और सागर ये बिज़नेस को एक बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे ले जा सकें और मुझे रिलेशनशिप पे बहुत-बहुत गर्व है। सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू सतीश भाई एंड योर टीम। यू डन फैंटास्टिकली वेरी वेल। कीप इट अप। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Congratulations, Satish Bhai, on your 21-year wealth creation journey with Motilal Oswal. The last 21 years of your business has been a true potential to the clients of the you have been handling. The strength of 8,000 clients which you manage has been the relationship which you have brought to this company, and the biggest strength of yours has been the relationship. I think with your service and the kind of products and the kind of training which you have given to your customers, the customers has surely benefited in their wealth creation journey. And the best fact about is the life of the customers which you have been handling. We still get lot of credit from our clients for the services which has been offered by Fortune Wealth. And with now your sons also into the business, Munjal and Sagar, I think the overall journey of wealth has become much more broader. It is not only about broking, it's also about all asset products from PMS, mutual funds, AIFs, insurance, and it takes care of overall wealth journey of the customers. And the last few years, the kind of service you are given to the customers on mutual fund and other products has also been appreciated by all the customers of Fortune Wealth. We surely value this relationship, which has been one of the bigger business partners of Motilal Oswal. The kind of setup which you have created in Kandivali, the latest office which you have opened, is the cornerstone of the way you have been able to build this wealth journey for our customers. I appreciate the efforts which you have put for our customers' growth and the overall wealth journey which you have done for your customers, and the kind of relationships which you have got with your customers, whether a small customer, whether it's a HNI customer, and the kind of engagements which you do at different points in time with your customers, from smaller training programs to big, the latest program which we had at the White House Hall, which was a tremendous success. And it is all credit to you that we have been able to achieve so much with all your clients. And I'm sure this wealth journey is only going to become much, much more bigger in the years ahead. And looking forward to the next growth journey for Fortune Wealth with you and your sons in the business. And all the best, and surely a great journey ahead. Thank you.